Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best electrical outlet switch. Wireless remote control electrical outlet switch. This device is great if you need to get out of bed in the middle of the night. You can carry the remote, turning lights on and off as you walk through the room to avoid stepping on items on the floor or stubbing your toe on furniture. These will not cover both outlets. Due to the improved design, you will be able to plug this unit into the wall and still have enough room to use the outlet below it. The remote control outlets are FCC certified, ETL listed for safety and quality assurance. GE grounded outlet power switch. Plug the desk lamp, indoor string lights or Christmas lights on the tree into the adapter and then plug into your outlet for quick installation. The outlet adapter is all listed, and has an electrical rating of 15A, 120 VAC, and 1800 watts. This switch helps you save money and energy by drawing zero power in the off position. With the switch located right at the outlet and easy installation, this power switch is great for everyday use. Bestron remote control electrical outlet switch. Remotely control hard-to-reach appliances and devices from the comfort of your bed or sofa at the push of a button. Eliminate wasteful standby power and reduce energy use, save on your electric bills and extend product life. You can carry the remote, turning lights on and off as you walk through the room to avoid stepping on items on the floor or stubbing your toe on furniture. Gardner Bender GSP04 electrical switch. Adjusts depth of receptacles, switches, to allow proper fit of trim plates. 4-inch stack of spacers twist apart easily for desired thickness. Gardner Bender GSP04 twist apart quick fix electrical spacers, 4-inch. Stack, 4 pk. Strips, red. Coordinate grounded outlet on/off power switch. The sophisticated white finish of the switch adds a touch of style to your receptacle and accentuates existing interior design. This outlet switch works for many household electronics and features a 15A, 120 VAC, 1800W maximum electrical rating. This plug-in is also great for electronics like TVs, microwaves, ovens or air conditioners that use standby power to draw energy when not in use. When the unit is set to the off position, rest assured that your appliances are not using any energy. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.